captions numbers. So specifically for guessing videos and specifically guess the value videos, putting the whole number on screen as a contestant's still thinking about it spoils it, ruins the suspense, and gets people to scroll away. So the issue is a contestant would go through a guess slowly, such as 169. And the right way to do it would be to break it up as the contestant says it. So for example, it would go 100, and then 60, and then 9. And we'll look at some examples so you can see this. So incorrect first. This is incorrect because the entire number pops up at one time, which is just a normal caption. Here's another example of an incorrect way to do it, which is popping up the 100 and then popping up 169. Only the number that's said should pop up. So all three numbers pop up both times. That's not correct. Here's a correct way to do it. You pop up the number as it's being said. So 169. It follows how it's being said. Here are those side by side. And now let's look at it applied to a 4-digit number. So this is incorrect because the entire number pops up at once. Here's another way to do it incorrectly, and that is popping in both numbers. So that was just like this example here, where it goes a 3-digit number and then a 3-digit number, both of which pop in. Here's another way to do it incorrectly, and that's because it's going to go 1,000, the whole number pops in, that's fine, and then when it does the 400, it's also re-popping in that 1, which is not good. 1,000, and you can see it, and I'll go through that again. 1,000, 400, but when it does the 400, the 1 also pops. The 1 should stay put because it's already been said. And you can see that issue repeated. Here's another incorrect way to do it, which is just incorrect spacing on the x-axis. So it's doing the numbers one at a time, but it doesn't have them spaced out properly. And that same issue can happen with the y-axis if they're not lined up. And that's what this looks like. So the correct way to do it would look like this. You break it up as it's being said. So 1,123. 1,123. So just like that. And here are those examples side by side. I will say this, for the correct examples, I have just the 100 pop in, just the 10 pop in, and then just the 1 pop in. So in this example for 169, the 1 pops in, the 6 pops in, and the 9 pops in. When I say 60, I don't have the 6 and the 0 pop in, but you could do that if you think that looks better. It's a horse apiece, so I'm cool with whichever way you think looks better.